Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Chia seed pudding for quick weight loss. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing today. Let's talk about something delicious and healthy that's super easy to whip up: chia seed pudding. If you're looking to maintain or drop a few pounds, this treat is not only tasty, but can really help you stay on track with your goals. Today, I'll show you how to make this nutritious pudding, share some incredible benefits of chia seeds, and give you a few variations to keep things interesting. Sound good? Let's dive right in. First off, let's chat about why chia seeds are such a big deal. These tiny little powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They're loaded with fiber, which is great for keeping you feeling full longer. That means less snacking and more satisfaction after your meals. Plus, chia seeds are rich in protein and healthy fats, making them perfect for a balanced diet. Did you know that they're also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids? These are essential for heart health. And let's not forget the antioxidants that help support your body against free radicals. Alright, let's talk ingredients. Here's what you're gonna need for this tasty chia pudding. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of almond milk, or any milk you love, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that aromatic flavor, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, totally optional but it adds a nice touch, and of course some fresh berries to top it off because yum! You can also customize this with other toppings if you feel adventurous. Think nuts, coconut flakes, or even a drizzle of honey. Let's get to the fun part. Making the pudding. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. So first things first, grab all your ingredients. I love laying everything out before I start so it feels super organized. Step 2. Mixing it up. In a bowl, mix the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1/2 cup of almond milk. Then add in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and, if you want a hint of sweetness, toss in that teaspoon of maple syrup. Now give it a good stir. You want to make sure everything is well combined and the chia seeds are nicely coated in the liquid. Step 3. Refrigeration magic. Once it's all mixed up, cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and pop it in the fridge. You'll want to let it chill for at least 4 hours, or my favorite, overnight. This is where the chia seeds absorb the liquid and turn into that delightful, pudding-like texture. Step 4. Time to serve. When you're ready to eat, pull it out and check out that thickened consistency. It's totally ready to go. Scoop some into a bowl and top it with fresh berries. You can mix and match blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever makes your taste buds dance. Now let's spice things up a bit. If almond milk isn't your jam, feel free to swap it out for coconut milk, oat milk, or even yogurt for a creamier texture. Want to get fancy? Add a scoop of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. Or toss in some nut butter for extra creaminess and flavor. And the best part? You can top this delicious pudding with whatever fruits or nuts you love. Try bananas, some shredded coconut, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon for added warmth. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. Chia seed pudding is a quick, delicious, and super nutritious way to support your weight loss journey. Plus, it's so simple to make, you can prep it in minutes. I really encourage you to give this recipe a shot and let me know how it turns out in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's spread the love for healthy eating together. Thanks for hanging out with me today, everyone. I can't wait to hear all about your chia pudding creations. Check the description for the written recipe and links to more tasty and healthy dishes. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Like and subscribe.